Hey, hi everyone. I'm Hannah Pretzwell, and welcome to the 8th Ministry of Testing Athens sponsor podcast. In this podcast series, we will introduce the sponsors of this meetup so you can learn a bit more about them. Ministry of Testing Athens has a massive following of almost 2,000 members with a great range of speakers from all over the world. Today, I am joined by Olga and Paniotis. Hi, both. Hi.
Hi.
How are you today? You doing well?
Very well, and thanks for having us.
Good. Yeah, thank you for being here. I'm very excited. So, would you like to introduce yourselves and tell us a little bit more about Camelot?
Sure. Panos, do you want to start?
Yeah, of course. Hi all, I'm Panagiotis Magremis and I'm the lead of software engineering tests for Camelot Lottery Solutions.
And I'm Olga. I'm senior HR business partner in Camelot. I'm responsible for the technology team in Greece and, of course, part of the bigger Camelot team.
Oh, wonderful. Yeah, so would you like to tell us a bit more about Camelot and what you guys do?
Sure. So we are Camelot Lottery Solutions. We have offices operating in 3 locations. We have offices in UK, in Chicago, Dublin, and of course Greece. In Greece, it is the offices are in Athens, and we have a small hub in Larissa. We are almost 300 people across locations, and especially in Greece, we are focused having here the technology center. Our Greek team is almost 123 individuals working in either a hybrid model or a fully remote model, depending on what each one of them want, actually. Our team actually provides technology solutions for lotteries and for instant win games, working for our customers. We work on projects like win games, iLottery platforms, focusing on real-time data insights, journey optimizations, integrations into various providers. And we also provide data platforms supporting report and interaction. We are driven by our values. That's the most important for us. And our main goal is to provide an environment where professionals can not only develop their skills, but do this on a friendly environment and at the same time have fun and enjoy working in our teams. That's our main purpose.
Oh, wonderful. That sounds really, really good. So do you want to tell us a bit more about who your customers are? Sure.
So over many years, actually, of Camelot operating in Europe and abroad, we have managed to have close partnerships and build quite strong relationships with our customers, either in the same group of companies that we belong or but not only. We work with UK National Lottery, the Irish National Lottery, with Lottery Romand, and of course Camelot Illinois, which we currently are in the same group of companies. And we are also very happy that we are starting a new collaboration with the Michigan Lottery. And this one will be focused on delivering instant win games.
Oh wow! So there's a lot of exciting stuff there. That's really cool.
We are expecting the future to be quite exciting, actually.
Yeah, it sounds like it. Awesome. So yeah, let's move on to some stuff about testing. So how big is your testing team?
Yeah, I think we have a large team, 30 people. Half of them, they are QA engineers, and they focus mostly on the manual testing and the tasks that can be automated. And the rest, including myself, are what we call software engineering tests, which is a combo role. We develop automation tests by breaking them down in different layers, and we are responsible to create, monitor, and maintain robust pipelines to build, test, and deploy our apps under a CI/CD model. Furthermore, we pay attention on how we can increase the testability of the code, teaching others good quality and testing practices, and develop test tools to assist our fellow QAs for doing exploratory and manual testing. And on this point, I would like to stress the importance of our philosophy, which is everyone is responsible for testing, from developers to product owners.
Nice. I like it. That is incredibly important. Yeah.
Yeah.
So I feel like you've already covered quite a lot of this question that I'm going to ask, but do you have any other reasons why someone should work for your company?
Yeah, absolutely. Working in CLS is fun, and it is fun because we keep a good work-life balance under a friendly environment. We use modern methodologies such as Agile, Scrum, and short-term sprints, following the shift-left approach to reduce the time to market and speed up the delivery without neglecting the quality. We have a very strong engineering capability that has vast experience in different aspects of software world. And in general, we try to cultivate a fertile ground for newcomers where they can grow their technical and soft skills. As a company, we host internal trainings and we provide paid learning sessions where our employees can upskill and achieve their personal goals.
Brilliant, brilliant. Yeah, it's always nice to hear when companies are supporting sort of growth and personal achievements as well. I think that's incredibly important. Yeah, sounds fantastic. And so, how is your company different from competitors in the Greek market?
Well, since we work in a regulated domain, we have to provide software in prime quality. Therefore, we invest a lot in test automation. We stand on the software principles and best practices. Our senior members are very active in meetups, trainings, and conferences, which means that we keep a good pace about the cutting technologies and the trends in the software world. And this gained knowledge is shaped into new, well-articulated technical solutions that we can provide to our customers with high quality.
Fantastic. Great. And what are your plans for growth and development of the testing team?
New project ahead of us. So we're planning to grow our team and our testing team, and we are hiring. Am I right, Olga?
Always.
Yeah.
Always.
Well, our projects are large-scale backend platform along with mobile and web applications, which means that we have a variety of different types of testing, web testing, mobile testing, API testing. However, I'm infatuated by the progress that we have made in other types of testing, such as accessibility, security, and performance, which have been added into our toolkit. And we run automation tests for these specific types of testing into our pipelines. Testing to the limits. This is what we are trying to do.
Oh, wow. Yeah, that sounds great. So there's a lot of scope for learning and trying new technologies. And I can see that with your background as well.
I can promise to any newcomer that you will never feel bored. There are so many new things to learn every single day.
Oh, fantastic. And is there anything else that you'd like the audience to know about your company?
Yeah, last comment from my side is that as a company, we promote good ideas and we provide time and resources to our people to contribute to open source project, which is a nice gesture, I believe, to give back to the community when we've taken so many over the last 30, 40 years.
And that's true. And this is partially why we always try to support any community activities. And I think we should also mention again what I said earlier, that it's important for us to live by our values. We strongly believe that we have to act as one team. We want to communicate with honesty. We are all equal, and that's not negotiable in any case. We are not afraid to speak up, not only with our colleagues, but also with the senior management. And we have this culture of discussing or speak up your voice and communicate what you have in mind. we want to protect this and we want to keep this. We also like to have fun, as Pano said earlier, and this means that we want to celebrate not only the wins, but also the mistakes that we do. We are not afraid of doing mistakes, and we are trying to make this as part of the day-to-day life. It's common and it happens to everyone, and it is okay. And the most important for us is to find people who can live with that culture. And basically, Panos, I think, will agree with me. We always try to find new people and hire by character. We have a very strong technical team that can help everyone grow and learn. So the technical side of the work can be learned and will be learned with such a strong team. But fitting in the culture and in the team is one of the most important things. So we can keep this environment of having fun and working as one team. That's the main purpose. It all starts from there, from the team and the people that we bring on board. And yeah, that's all.
Yeah, that sounds absolutely fantastic. I really loved your comment about, making mistakes and that it's okay. Because I do think that making mistakes is one of the most important ways that you actually learn, and in an environment that doesn't necessarily encourage that, but will support you through that, I think is really, really important. So fantastic.
As Pano said, we are working on a regulated environment, and this brings us to have different ways of making sure that we can handle mistakes. We have this, and we have the knowledge and the understanding of how we can deal with them. And it's the only way to learn and grow.
Amazing. Fantastic. Yeah, so I think that wraps up our questions. So thank you very much, Olga and Panagiotis, for joining us. And there will be some links posted under the video if you want to know any more things about Camelot. And thank you everyone for watching.
Thank you very much.
Hannah.
Thank you.